What's going on, guys? It's Al here with Coop's Car Correction, and I'm excited to announce the release of 4 new products to our detailing product line. Gonna get right into it. First things first, we have our all-purpose cleaner. The name kind of explains it all. It is a multi-purpose cleaner and degreaser. The main thing I use it personally for detailing is cleaning engine bays, cleaning wheel well liners, cleaning the floors of the shop. You could use it to clean your grill. As far as auto detailing wise, I also use this, and it can be used as a replacement for detergent when you clean your microfiber towels in a washing machine. You would only use about 2 to 4 ounces depending on how big that load, how soiled they are. But this is really awesome for breaking down polishes and compounds and stuff that are in your microfiber towels, which also means that this is perfect for cleaning your pads. We all know if you've paint corrected or buffed cars, cleaning the pads is not fun. This works awesome for breaking down the polishes and compounds. Also, this is a highly concentrated product. It does not come diluted. You can dilute it up to 30-to-1 depending on how you want to use it. It's not going to be too corrosive on anything and really eat up seals or something of that nature. Main purposes I use it: engine bay detailing, wheel well liners, cleaning my microfiber towels, cleaning my buffing pads. And the other thing, which I don't use it so much on, I do sometimes if the car is very bad, but you could use it for deep soil in your interior detailing. So cleans upholstery, leather, vinyl, all that stuff for like heavy soilage. What I do when I use that product in like an interior detail setting is I'll pour like an ounce into a warm water bucket, and I use a sponge or whatever in that bucket. Little goes a long way doing it that way, and it smells pretty good. So, all right, next up, gonna go into wheel and rubber. This is kind of exactly how it's called, wheel and rubber. So not only is it a wheel and tire cleaner, but it's perfect for cleaning your floor mats of your car, WeatherTech mats, Husky liners, all those good things. So not just for the exterior vehicle, but also can be used, like I said, on your floor mats. This is a product, it's not going to be a product that you just kind of spray on and wipe off. This is one that you would use in your hand wash process. So when you're pressure washing your vehicle or rinsing it off, you would go and you would spray this on your wheel and tire, and you would use some brushes, like perfectly matched up with a soft and hard bristle brush for scrubbing, agitating your tires and your wheels, and then rinsing them back off. This is awesome for getting like the brown color out of your tires, breaking down brake dust. It'll foam pretty good out of this just basic trigger sprayer. Next up, glass cleaner. If you guys haven't caught on by now, the names for these products, I try to make them as generic and straight to the point as possible. So, glass cleaner, that is what it's for, cleaning glass. It is tint safe, no ammonia. It has a sealant in it, which only creates a little bit of hydrophobicness to your windows, but since there's a sealant in it, every time you use it, that sealant will collect, and it'll make it easier and easier every time you go to clean your glass down the line. And then also if you clean the exterior of your glass with that sealant, it's kind of like what a lot of people call Rain-X, where the water will kind of bead and shed off. But this product's awesome, streak-free, smells good. It's also good for, which I've covered in other videos, is getting streak marks from detailing on a car. If you got like high spots from like a ceramic detail spray or something, this is good on that. This is also awesome for chrome. So Harley guys, I know you guys love just not washing your bikes. You like just doing quick details and stuff. Glass cleaner, it's perfect for chrome too. Last but not least, but probably my favorite so far, is our waterless wash. This is a silica ceramic quick detailer. So this is like for the Harley guys, I was just saying, guys that don't like spraying and getting a bucket out for their bikes. Perfect for cleaning and detailing bikes and cars that are maybe not super soiled that you don't want to pull out the bucket, pressure wash or whatever. Light dust, bugs. Use it with common sense. Like, you don't want to take your truck off mudding and start spraying this on there and trying to clean it. That's not what it's intended for. But if it's your car, like my beautiful CTSV here, if it's sat in my garage all week and accumulated some dust, instead of just dusting it off, this will lubricate so you don't really induce scratches in it as long as you're careful. It is a lower concentrated silica product, so it won't really streak up on you. It'll leave a good streak-free finish, and you could use this everywhere: paint, plastic, glass, chrome, trim, wheels, all that good stuff. But this is like the perfect on-the-go detail spray you keep in the trunk, quick detailer. So if you're at a car show and you just got there and you drove 10 miles to get there and you got bugs on your bumper, or it would be awesome for cleaning that off and then leaving a good film of the silica on there for gloss and hydrophobicness. This, which real quick I'm going to cover, because I know a lot of people, even to me, when you look at a lot of detail companies, they have multiple detail sprays, and I didn't want to create a brand that had too many of the same thing, because it gets confusing on the consumer side of which one of the same product do I buy, which one am I gonna like. I figured if I come out with multiple products that do the same thing, I try to do my best to explain which setting you would use each in, right? So, as you that have been following me, sorry it's a little empty, I've been using it in the shop. But anyways, ceramic topper. This is the first detail spray that we released. This is a very high concentrated silica product, so it's more of a maintainer. So on lighter colors, you're not gonna really see any streakings, but if you're using darker colors, not on a hot panel or outside in the sunlight, with this product being a higher concentrated product, it tends to streak up more if you're not careful and you don't have the experience with it, or if you're not using good new towels or whatever. But waterless wash, this is going to be, like I said, a cleaner and a detailer. It's going to be more forgiving. You're going to be able to use it without having to try so hard. But in return for having a product that's a little bit easier to use, it's not going to leave as high of a hydrophobicness as the ceramic topper, and also it's not going to last as long for the protection and hydrophobicness. So ceramic topper, we usually say like 3 to 6 months of hydrophobicness it'll leave. This maybe 1 to 3 months, depending on what kind of elements the car sees. But just the easy way to put it, this I would say is your maintainer. So even if you're using this, it's still smart to maybe use this once or twice a year to just put like that fresh coating of silica on it that's going to last a long time. And then this is more or less just like your quick detailer, where you want to clean a couple spots here and there, or you're out at a car show. It's just a little bit easier to use. So I'm thinking a lot more people are going to like this product over this because it's easier. Hey, life, we like to do the easy things. That's a human nature. But they still both have a place in your garage, in your arsenal. You just have to, like I said, understand where they come into play. So if you're the type of guy that the car just comes out a few times a summer, like, you're probably only gonna need this, but it wouldn't hurt to do this maybe at the beginning of the season to give it that fresh coat of silica. Daily driver wise, you can still use this as a quick detailer, but you're gonna wanna keep up on maybe doing a good detail application of the ceramic topper maybe twice a year. So hopefully that explains a little bit about the new products, along with the difference between our two detail sprays. If you ever got questions, feel free to reach out. I will leave a link in the description for these products. And also, before I let you guys go, if you made it this far, check out the new Coop Shield Tee. Awesome logo that my friends over at Cardinal Crow, they designed. And these are an awesome, high quality, soft, made in the USA shirt. just like all these products made in the USA, I want to buy and use in my detail business and my product line. I want to source as much in the United States and keep our people in this country working. So if you like this shirt, I'll put a link for it in the description as well. I got black and gray, and they look pretty sweet. I would love to see people repping them all over the country, wherever you're seeing this video at. And yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching, guys. Check out the products. Thanks for all the support. If you got questions, feel free to reach out. Thanks a lot. Like and subscribe.